In this video, we'll open one of our classes, search for a lesson, use filters in the library, and assign your first activity in Xeropan Classroom. Start by opening one of your classes. This is where you'll manage assignments for these students. Click New Assignment in the top right corner. This opens the Xeropan Lesson Library. Here you'll find thousands of interactive exercises and video lessons. On the left side, you can filter lessons by lesson type, level, language function, topics, grammar, or by title. Xeropan includes both American and British English. Some lessons use American accents, others use British, and our authentic video materials, like film clips and news segments, give learners clear context for each dialect. This helps students experience natural, real-world English. Let's look for a speaking exercise at A1 to A2 level. Select the lesson type, set the level range, and choose the topic Free Time. When you're ready, click Apply Filter. These are the lessons that match your criteria. To preview a lesson, click Start Lesson on the lesson card. If you use Xeropan with a projector in class, you can run the lesson together with your students. Choose the language your students use for translations. You can scroll through the content or start the interactive conversation to see how it works. When you're ready to assign the activity, click Assign. Select the class you want to assign it to. You can assign it to the entire class or manually select individual students. You can mark the lesson as optional. And you can set a deadline to let students know when the homework is due. When everything is set, click Assign Lesson. Each conversation lesson belongs to a full unit that also includes vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and video activities. These prepare students for the main conversation task. If you want to assign the whole unit, choose Assign All Lessons in the unit. Your students receive a notification in the Xeropan app. They'll find the assignment under the My Classes menu on their home screen. Complete it, and their results will appear in your statistics view. That's how you search for lessons, filter the library, preview content, and assign your first activity in Xeropan Classroom. When you're ready, continue with the next video in the workshop.